What's up with you guys? It's your girl Faith, and I'm back again with another freaking video for you guys. And as you can tell by that title, don't play with me. Y'all know I be slaying my hair anyways, like it be all pointy. Period. But yeah, I did my hair, period, boom, and I just think it's so freaking cute, cause I do my hair, it gotta be cute. Like if it ain't cute, then I don't know, it's the bop or it's the flop. It is definitely gonna be a bop when I do it, and it's on what, period, boom. But anyways, we're not gonna get into all of this and that. If you would like to know how to do this pretty hairstyle, which is called soft locks, period, I'm gonna show y'all a picture of where it stops at. Boom, that's where my hair stops at. So if you would like to know how to do this hairstyle on yourself or on your sister or anything, you know, you want to start doing hair or whatever, make sure you guys stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad if you are not already subscribed, and make sure you guys leave a big thumbs up on this video because it's free and it's free to subscribe. But anyways, this is what I use. About 4 packs of this hair. And I'm gonna be honest, I only use 2. So yeah, if you think your head is this small, literally my head is big, but if you think your head is this small, I would recommend you getting only 2 packs because I bought 4 and they were $20 each, as you can see. And your girl spent 20, 40, 60, 80 bucks. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend getting 2. And yeah, I use the 36-inch, period, and extra long. But yeah, and I use this expression twisted up hair or whatever. But yeah, that's the hair that I use to complete this look. And here go the hair that I have left out of the second pack. Actually, I still have some left. But yeah, that's it, and we're gonna get into the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad, period, proof. So here's me dancing because I'm about to wash my hair and get my hair done, period. Wash. Now I'll see you guys when my hair is prepped. So yeah. Okay, so y'all, I'm done with my hair. Well, Grace helped me, but yeah. So with that being said, now I'm finna set y'all up somewhere. But y'all already know, first I'm gonna get a feel for it, and then I'm gonna set y'all up so y'all can see how I do, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till she comes so she can say hey to y'all. Say hey. Y'all look crazy.
Y'all, my head looks small.
I'm gonna set my camera up somewhere so y'all can watch.
Y'all see the inches though, video. Don't play.
So y'all can watch. I don't know why this was sticking out. So y'all can watch me. So y'all can watch me put the lights in. I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere so y'all can see how I do it. And then yeah, like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad. Hey you guys, so before I even start, I want to say please don't mind my voice and excuse the background noise if there's any. But here you see me taking a hole and splitting it into 2 pieces. This is the twisted up hair that I showed you guys. And period, you see the inches. Stop, wait, let me get to it real quick. So basically, here I'm just prepping the hair up, so you know I won't have to go back and forth trying to do it every time I start a new lock. And look at me sinking. So yeah, that's how much I have finished so far. I was getting a feel for it. And here I'll be showing you guys how I do it and how to do it. So you stick, you know, I already told y'all to prep your hair, braided or whatever. And then here, you'll see me stick the lock through the crochet hook, close it, and then pull it. And I take the hole and I just stick my hair through the hole and pull it. So it can be tight. And then I'm going to take the twisted up hair, the expression twist. What am I talking about? That is what it's called. But yeah, watch how, put it around my fingers, wrap it around my fingers. So if you have a hard time holding it or whatever. But you basically do the same thing. You close it, pull it through. And here you wrap. See how loose my hair is? But when I actually wrap it, it's not going to be loose because I'm going to wrap it to the T. But yeah, it's not really tight. But just wrap it so it won't look like really loose like how the braid look. Because I don't braid my hair tight or whatever. So, and I do want to say, this is me still getting a feel for it. So don't even try to come for me because like I already told y'all, I gotta get a feel for stuff before I actually do it and do it correctly. So of course, just go all the way down until you basically stop. You don't have no more hair left. So yeah, this how many I have done. And here's Grace helping me attach the locks to my hair. And I want you guys to pay attention to how she do it and how I do it. So, pay attention to how she attach the locks. She does the opposite of what I do, in which you can see her right there. Instead of her putting the hair through the loop, she put the weave through the loop and like that. So here you guys pay attention. See how she does hers different and me. I do mine like this. So yeah, here's me prepping some more hair. This is what I was doing the first time, you guys. So if you guys didn't actually get what I was doing the first time, now you guys can see what I'm doing. So I take the whole thing, whatever, and I just split it into 2 pieces. Make sure you make it even as possible. Not so much hair on the other side than the other side. So yeah, that's what I was doing, and I did that. And here you'll see me. This is my second pack of locks. I'm on my second pack. So yeah. And basically, I'm doing the same thing like I already said. I don't know how many times I said it. And please don't come for me. I was doing my hair. That ain't got nothing to do with it. But anyways, yeah, you see me prepping my hair, whatever. Periods. I hope nobody come in my room, y'all. But anyways, yeah, that's what I'm doing. And here I'm just showing y'all how I do the whole thing overall. You braid your hair. And you really don't even have to braid it all the way down because it really don't matter. But yeah, make sure you braid it. So after I braid it, I take a lock. I get the hole. You always want to keep your crochet hook open when you're sticking it through your head. But once you have the lock on there, you want to close it and then pull it through. And like I said, put your real hair through the hole and pull it so it can be locked in place. You take the crochet, make sure it's open when it's going through your real hair, so you won't yank your real hair out. And then twist, period. So as you guys can see, I'm kind of, you know, better. I don't know, good at this or whatever. But yeah, this is my first time doing soft locks. So don't even come for me. But yeah, they really turned out cute. But I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. But yeah, here's me trying to style them already. And girl, you ain't even done. You got a whole batch left. You know, a basket full of braids. But yeah, that's me telling you guys that I'm about to do the rest. But I ended up getting Grace to put all of the locks in my hair, so I wouldn't have to do that. The only thing I have to do is twist, twist, and twist. So yeah. Hey y'all. So y'all finally get to hear me. Basically, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I did my soft locks. I'm not really done with my hair. I think I have maybe 4 more left, but I will do them in the morning. So that's probably what I get back with you guys. But I just wanted to come on here to say, if you guys have made it this far in my hair tutorial, thank you guys for watching so much. If you want to see the finished results, and if you don't know, if you're new, at the end of my hair tutorial videos, I post pictures or videos, you know, cute little pictures of videos, so you can see, you know. So if you made this far, just say thank you again for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't subscribed either. So I will get back with you guys in the morning when I wake up. I'm about to go get in the shower. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. And I just think it's so pretty. I can't stop. But I didn't tell y'all, but I'm listening to music or whatever. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So hey y'all, I'm back. So what I do is take, you know, like I was telling y'all, split it in half. So what I do is split that in half. So basically one piece make 4 pieces. But anyways, here I will be showing you guys how to cover your red hair if it's sticking out. No, my hair was not sticking out. I pulled it out so I could show you guys how to do it. And I do want to say, excuse my bangle noise, and my brother and cousin talking in the background. But anyways, so what you do is you start wherever your hair is out at, and you take a shorter piece and a longer piece, of course, and you go the opposite way that you put the shorter piece at, and you twist, twist, and twist until what? Yeah, until you don't have any more hair left to twist. Period. Y'all catch on so fast. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of them. And yeah, I'ma see you guys. We gotta look like a baddie. What's up with it? Wait. Boom. Period. What's up, y'all? So I finally finished my hair. And I would say it literally, I don't know if I showed y'all the, oops. And I literally say, it really ain't been taking me that long. I don't know how long, but it really ain't even take me that long. Let's be real. For real. And yeah, I voiced over this whole video. So with that being said, I'm not even gonna keep y'all too much longer, period. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the videos that I will be posting for spring break, because if you watched the first one that I posted, which was the 24-hour transformation glow up, posted that video on Monday, and I'm posting this video Tuesday, and y'all need to stay tuned to see what I'm posting Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's Sunday, period. And yeah, today is Friday, March 12th. And this video won't be posted until March, I don't know what, but Tuesday. So yeah, I'm done my hair, and I just think it's really so cute. I'll do 360 for you guys. Oh, I need to log in. I need to zoom in the phone. 360 for you guys. Oh y'all, should I do different hairstyles you could try with soft locks? I just gave myself an eye. Period face. Y'all better not even try to comfort me with the parts and stuff because I didn't part my hair on her, Gracie, and I don't even care. It's pretty. It's the work. It's the work for me, period. But I want to show y'all, like, I put pictures that I took today, because today is Friday, and show y'all where they stop it. But they stop kind of like my knees. The end of my knees. Hopefully y'all can see. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad. And if you're watching this video and not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you should definitely subscribe because it's free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I just think this is like so freaking cute, and I can't wait to serve more looks. This is actually a look that I served today. I had my hair like this. I had my scrunchies on. I think I had my pink one in my hair. And yeah, this is actually a look. So the pictures that I'm putting, or I have already put, that was pictures that I took Friday. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, join my game, join my squad, and I'll see you guys in the next video.